Hi leaders, I wanted to show you how you can log in into your back office for Longrich. So here is the page, and you look for Longrich URL, and Longrich URL is at www.longlichcn.cn/login.html. So the page opens like this. Then you put in your ZM code. My ZM code is ZM 01330 and you also put in your password, which I will not mention here. You have your own password, which were given by the stockist. Then there's always a check code, okay, which comes here with different figures in 4 digits. So that's a check code for this page 4762. Once you log in all these 3 inputs, you just log in. Of course, you don't want to remember, okay, because others may actually get your details. So that's a page opening. Okay, this is a page opening. What comes first is actually the message control. Message control on your left, you see message control, membership, order management, commission, finance management, and system. So this is the message control for announcements from Longrich. You have all the announcements here, which you need most of the time should be reading, because there are a lot of promotion going on for Zambian distributors. So you need to actually be checking this every time you log in. And also there's membership. Under membership, there's edit personal information. Okay, that's where you have your information. You have search sponsor tree network, search placement network, performance of sponsor network, placements tree performance. This is where you can check how you are doing in terms of your points. If you want to check your points, you put in your generation check. For example, I say 8, and then you check there. Okay, what to come on the page is your team down there. Okay, placement 3 performance, including yourself on top. So if you want to check the points, you just go to the far right. Okay, that's where you check the points. Okay, and the names of your team is actually down there. You can see a number of people down there. Okay, this is how you check the performance services, organization structure. This is how it comes like. Okay, on your page to come your name on top, and then you'll be able to see the people under there. Okay, so you see the people, the team under you. So this is how you check. And if you want to check further those that are under this name, for instance Margaret Nankala, you go with that arrow, you check them. Just everyone, you can check them like that. Okay, this is how you do your upgrade order, repeat order, retail order. If you want to check commission, this is where you check commission. Okay, this is where you check commission. You can scroll to the right, you see where it shows the amounts in here. Again, you can come back, you check the incentive. If you want to check your incentive, the bonus, the Rich Pack referral bonus, okay, you can check, and you have maybe your 450s there. So this is how you log in. And also, if you want to come to finance, you can check finance management, and also the system there. The system, you can change your password. This is where you can change your password. If you got your password from the stockist, you can change your password there. So this is how you log in. Very important to check what is happening on the back office for you to actually make progress in Longrich. Bye bye for now.